Hi, good evening, and welcome to day 41 of the challenge. So the ending of yesterday's was interesting. My son, my son came home and downstairs and walked in and just just belched this humongous belch, and I laughed for like an hour. I laughed so hard. Yeah, but doesn't that just go to show you that you just never know what life is going to bring you? You just never know what's going to happen next. Oh my gosh, so funny. Oh, look, I'm wearing my Paisley Park t-shirt that I bought in Minneapolis when I was there at Prince's place. So purple, love purple. It's the first time I've worn it, so very exciting. Wasn't a day where I had to dress up, so I got to wear my shirt, my new shirt. I'm about to go log in for the contestants debriefing for Saturday. So I will find out my speaking order. So that'll be fun. I hope I'm somewhere either middle towards the end. I think there's 9 speakers on Saturday. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be good. I've been practicing my speech, of course. I did it for the Toastmasters Club that I belong to in Woodland Park on Tuesday morning, and I'm practicing it again tomorrow for my other club in Colorado Springs. So all the practice I can get. It's a Zoom presentation, so it's good to figure out how to use the space creatively and interestingly. So I've been doing that, and as you guys know from my previous challenges, I have totally changed my speech, which I think it's a much stronger speech. Not sure how Toastmastery it is, but we're going to find out on Saturday, aren't we? All I can do is my best, bring my best, and yep, that's what I'm going to do. I forgot to mention yesterday when I was telling you guys about moving around as a kid. Interesting little factoid. I learned how to read and write French before English. I was there, like I said, in France from age 4 to 8. And so I started school, but there weren't any really good American schools in France. So my parents chose to put me in French school. And it wasn't a world of English is your first language or whatever. I had to learn French right away. And so I would be, and of course I knew how to speak English. Then I learned how to speak French and read and write in French. But when I got home after being at school all day, I had a tutor that tutored me in English. I blame all of this on my inability to spell. Of course, that's probably has nothing to do with it. But hey, it's a great excuse. Why not? Anyway, yeah, so I was fluent in French until I moved to Australia. And I didn't keep up my French. There was nobody to speak French to. So I lost it by probably within a year of living in Australia. I couldn't speak French. I mean, I could speak, broken, but not fluent. Before I could just blah, 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 blah. And what's really interesting is I still dream in French sometimes. So it's back there in my brain somewhere. And I'll wake up after a dream of dreaming in French and I'll think, oh, I can speak again. But then, of course, I can't. But isn't the brain interesting? I find that fascinating. But yeah, so that's a little factoid that I forgot to tell you about last night. I got cut short last night. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should burst out laughing or if I should turn off the camera or what I should do. So I kind of did a little of both, but anyway. Oh, so funny. Chris, he's my love. Well, all my kids are. Oh my God. I love all my children so much. I adore them. So I don't know, just the way I am. It is so good to talk to you guys tonight. I better get ready for my debrief, my contestant debrief, and I'll tell you tomorrow which speaking order I'm in. And shoot me it's a Zoom event if you want to watch. Saturday, we've got nothing else to do on a Saturday night. It's 7 o'clock Mountain. The contest begins, and if you would like to log on, just shoot me a thing in the comments, and I'll send you the link so you can go if you want to watch Toastmasters District Speech Contest. All right, you guys have a good night, and I will see you next time.